So having decided to try and get off the grid, I rang a couple of companies. I got one quote from one crowd, I can't remember, and their idea was to add more panels and more inverters. Jake's idea when he came up was get rid of all the old technology, clean it up, one inverter and a battery, and don't go off the grid completely because you might need it. So we shook hands, and the system was put in by Penrith Solar on time with a very efficient team of guys that came up. They took the old rubbish away, cleaned up my garage wall by removing inverters, and I was very happy with the way the system was running. This amazing app that comes with the Tesla battery. In winter, July, this house was using about 2,700 kilowatt hours a month. And as we go into summer, it decreases. Last month, about 1,500, and that'll keep going down. The output of the panels at the moment are pumping out 10.1 kilowatts. The house is only using 1.6 at the moment. So there's 8.4 kilowatts going back into the grid. And that'll keep going for most of the day. I'm estimating that my power bill for this month, for September, will be below $200. Without the system that I've got now, last year I would have paid around about $600 for the month. So I'm very happy with the performance of the panels, the battery, the inverters, the whole kit.